Hey, 8th grade, Miss Lawson here, coming at you on Thursday, April 30th, and I hope you had a great week so far. If you have not done your morning hello survey, please pause this video and do that right now. If you have done that survey, my next announcement is for you to remember that tomorrow, Friday, May 1st, is going to be different than any other Friday. I sent an email on Monday about these changes, and I posted to your Google Classroom announcements on Wednesday, and you may have heard from your advisor about this, but we are now changing up Fridays. No more assignments posted on Fridays. Instead, it's going to be a time for you guys to make up classwork you may have missed Monday through Thursday because life just got in the way. Time for you to reach out to teachers, and then you will be responsible for just attending 2 30-minute sessions between 1 and 3. There's more info about that in the email and the Google Classroom announcement. If you're still confused after you've looked at those materials, then you can reach out to your advisor or me. Additionally, I've had a lot of questions about just the documentary and where you should be on it. As of right now with your documentary, if you know your topic and your subject, and it's not something vague like, it's about me, Miss Lawson. If you know and you're confident in your topic and subject, and you know your theme and or central idea, what you want to teach the audience as they view it, then you are more than welcome, guys, to go ahead and start collecting some video footage of the things you want to include. You can start collecting materials like photos that you might want to include, or graphs or charts or anything like that. You could even start, if you're confident about it, you could even start interviewing your subjects if you have that for your video already. So I've gotten a lot of those questions. Do we start? You may start, or if you're not ready, that's okay. On Monday, during that lesson, I'm going to show you how to plan your documentary and kind of write out a little outline so that you can then get started, because we have about 3 more weeks before it's due. So next week is really the week you should start putting in the legwork of making sure you've begun making a firm plan and starting to film. And then that final week is going to be more focused on editing. So you've got about 2 weeks to work on the filming part, okay? So don't stress on that right now. As for today's lesson, we are going to continue practicing identifying central idea. And I just wanted to clarify something really quickly. So as a documentarian, the person that makes the documentary, you have a purpose, right? And usually your purpose is either like to entertain, that's a lot of times, to inform or teach, right? And so a lot of times when documentaries are more about entertaining, they tend to teach a lesson, but it tends to be more of a theme, right? Like a moral lesson, something they think you should change about your life, or they're trying to tell you how to live, or what's right or what's wrong, or how the world works, right? That's a theme. And a lot of documentaries have that. Central idea is more about facts. Like, let me tell you facts, statistics, what happened during this historical event. And it tends to be less about a moral theme, right? But a lot of times, documentaries have both central ideas and themes, which is awesome. Your documentary is only required to have one or the other, especially since it's so short, but you might have both. You might have a moral lesson you're teaching and some facts that kind of add up to a central idea. So just so you know going forward, your doc is going to have at least one, but it may have both when you create that, okay? So today's lesson, you're going to go ahead and go in. You're going to watch 2 more short documentaries, and you're going to work on noting the facts and key information that you are given as you watch it. And then at the end of that documentary, you should be able to tell me if you had to put what they wanted you to learn in just 1 to 2 sentences, but try for 1. What's the big takeaway that they wanted you to learn from those facts that they gave you, okay? So you're going to have 2 videos, answer the questions about each, and then you are moving on. And please don't forget to attend Friday tutoring tomorrow. I hope to see you guys there. If you still have questions about your documentary, I think coming to the reading tutoring sessions as one of your 2 options would be a great idea for you, because then I can help explain it to you if you're still confused, or help you come up with a topic, okay? So have a great Thursday, guys. See you hopefully tomorrow at tutoring. Bye.